It's more important than ever to get positive reviews for your Shopify store. 5-star reviews on sites like Trustpilot, Google, and Facebook help you rank higher on Google search and boost your sales. That's why we created UserLoop, the stress-free way to automatically survey your customers, encouraging more positive reviews and helping you to avoid negative ones. So, how does it work? Your customers receive an email survey after their order arrives. They just need to respond with one click right from their inbox. Happy customers are sent to your favorite review sites to leave you a review. Unhappy customers are sent to the private feedback form on UserLoop, so you can resolve issues quickly and avoid negative public reviews. Finally, all ratings are combined into your customer satisfaction score, which gives you key buyer insights into your store experience, helping you know exactly what to improve to get more positive reviews. You can even customize your surveys to match your brand with your own reaction emojis. Don't let potential orders pass you by. Install the UserLoop Shopify app and start getting more positive reviews, higher ranking on Google, and bigger sales today.